Welcome, today I'm gonna show you how to manually connect the AirPods with your iPhone. So for the first, we have to move to the YouTube, for example, and turn on the music like Justin Bieber Yummy. And right now, when we go to the main screen and open notification bar and click here in the left upper corner and open our AirPods. As you can see, we can change it from the iPhone to the AirPods. So right now, the YouTube music will going through the AirPods. And yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course, comment below.